Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your time. I'm your teacher Hina Amreen and today we are going to start future continuous tense. In the previous lesson we have already done present continuous tense, then past continuous tense. Today we are going to learn about future continuous tense. There are some clue words that we use in future continuous tense. For example, for, still, next Friday or any day or any time, and while. Let's see the structure of future continuous tense affirmative sentences. In this type, we use subject plus will be plus ing form. For example, I will be studying, you will be studying, he, she, it will be studying, we will be studying, you will be studying, they will be studying. In the negative sentences, we use subject plus will plus not plus be plus ing form. For example, I will not be studying, and will not can be used as a contraction form. For example, I won't be studying, you will not be studying or you won't be studying, he, she, it will not be studying, we will not be studying, you will not be studying, they will not be studying. Interrogative form. In this form, we bring will in the start of the sentence, then we add subject, then we add be, and then at the end, verb ing form. For example, will I be studying? Will you be studying? Will he, she, it be studying? Will we be studying? Will you be studying? Will they be studying? Let's talk about some rules where we are going to use future continuous tense. Rule number 1. We use the future continuous for an action over a period of time. It means that something will be in progress at or around at a time in a future. Example, don't phone me between 7 and 8. I'll be studying for the English test. In 2 years, she'll be speaking English much better than now. Next year, I'll be driving a new car. Interrogative form. What will they be doing in 20 years' time, I wonder? Rule number 2. We use the future continuous for an action which is a result of a routine or the result of a previous decision or arrangements. For example, as usual, they'll be meeting tomorrow after school. The party will be starting at 10 o'clock. Sam will be cleaning house next Friday. Negative form. Unfortunately, he won't be playing next Sunday. Rule number 3. When combined with still, the future continuous refers to events that are already happening now and that we expect to continue sometime into the future. For example, tomorrow he will still be suffering from his cold. Unfortunately, sea levels will still be rising in 20 years. Number 4. In the interrogative form, the future continuous can be used to ask politely about somebody's plans, especially if you want something or want them to do something. For example, will you be using your car this evening? No. Do you want to borrow it? And the example, will you be meeting Laura tomorrow? Yes, probably. Why? We can also use the future continuous to talk about what we assume is happening at the moment. For example, Peter is very quiet. He'll be doing something wrong. I know it. It is important to remember that non-continuous verbs cannot be used in any continuous tenses. For example, like, love, hate, want, need, prefer, know, suppose, mean, believe, understand, seem. These all are non-continuous verbs which cannot be used in any continuous tense. For example, you cannot say she is liking a cake. Instead of using future continuous with these verbs, you must use simple future. For example, she liked this a lot. Let's practice some sentences with the help of this exercise. Put the verbs into the correct form using future progressive formulas. You can see here in the parentheses verbs are given and we are going to use them according to the tense. Let's see the sentence 1. At midnight we dash and the verb is sleep. So you can say according to the structure of future continuous tense, at midnight we will be sleeping. Number 2. This time next week we dash at the beach and the verb is sit. This time next week we will be sitting at the beach. At 9 I dash the news. Watch is the verb here and the correct answer will be at 9 I will be watching the news. Tonight we dash for our English test. Tonight we will be cramming for our English test. Number 5. They dash dance all night. They dash all night and the verb is dance. So the correct answer will be they will be dancing all night. Number 6. He dash not play all afternoon. You can notice here not is given, that shows we are going to make negative sentence. He will not be playing all afternoon, and you can notice here between will and be we have put not to make it negative. So sentence will be he will not be playing all afternoon. I dash not work all day. So the correct answer will be I will not be working all day. Number 8. Dash at 6. Eat you, and at the end you can see there is a question mark. That means it's interrogative sentence. In this sentence we are going to start the sentence from will. So the answer will be will you be eating at 6? Another interrogative sentence. Dash to London. The verb is drive and the subject is she. And we are going to write it like will she be driving to London? The last sentence. Fight. They again and question mark means it's an interrogative sentence. So we can write like this: will they be fighting again? I'm sure students, this practice helped you to learn and understand the structure of future continuous tense. Try to practice this more at home. Take care all of you. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.